Welcome everybody. Still in Venice. It's a bit rainy today. I'm walking around. I need to go to an ATM, but the banks don't seem to open until like 20 minutes from now. Weirdly, they all open at 8:20 a.m. It's a weird time to open. But, you know, it's not my country. I can't really judge. So I guess I'll just walk around a bit. So that's a Hard Rock Cafe. I think that means I'm by the, I can't be by the Rialto. There must be more than one Hard Rock. Oh, there's a little roof over here. Hold on. There we go. Oh, I am. Okay, I'm by the San Marco, which is where we were yesterday. Okay. Yeah, it seems like nothing's really working internet-wise, so we'll just leave this as a recorded episode. This company that does these SIM cards is really good, but the European SIM cards don't seem to be as good as the Japanese ones. At least they don't have as much coverage. What is this interactive exhibition here? Damn, now the problem is that I'm finding things I want to do, but I don't have any money because I have to go to the ATM. Yeah, everywhere's still pretty much closed right now. Okay. So it's 8:07. Okay, let's start walking in this direction, I guess.
Did you say?
want to go down this alley. Wow. I'm gonna sort of end up in the same spot I just came from. Ooh, little cafe. Hello. Do you have coffee?
Buongiorno.
Hi.
Hello.
Coffee?
Yes. You want a seat, sir, or you want
I could just, yeah, I don't need a seat. That's okay.
just say her? How would you like, sir?
Can I have an Americano?
Americano. You want that to go, or you want to sit?
I'll take it here, yeah.
You want sit or just here? No.
Oh, I could just drink here, yeah. Thank you.
You want maybe some croissants also?
Oh, no, thank you. Put this on my belt, maybe?
Devo fare,
It kind of
devo
works.
soltanto fare 2, 3, massimo 3, ho fatto 5, non so che. Non ci sta. Sì, che così almeno non faccio. Fa male? Ieri? Avete vinto o no? Vinto? Tu! Grande. Ok?
Thank you. Grazie.
So io lo spiego.
Oh my, sorry.
No worries.
Two. Sorry about that.
No worries, sir.
Wow, I almost forgot to pay. This umbrella's having a hard time here. So let's see, we want to go towards this bank. What is this bank called? Okay, it opens in 5 minutes. I'll be there in 4 minutes. Seems to check out. Yeah, the current mission right now is to find a bank with an ATM. They say that you shouldn't, when you're abroad, you shouldn't go to those ATMs that are just like freestanding, because a lot of, you don't know where, like, what kind of situation that is. Sometimes they have sort of like security issues. Yeah, like these I could go to, but which is probably, most of the time it's probably fine. But even the guy at our hotel said, like, hey, if you're taking out money, don't go to one of the, like, make sure you go to a bank. I think I might have a little, like, hook thing that I could put on this, so I could actually attach it to my belt loop, because that would be pretty convenient. Or even attaching it to a backpack strap or something, just so I don't have to carry this, or put it in my bag, which is obviously a bad idea because it's wet. I love all the shop signs. Very elaborate. Let's take a quick look while we're under this awning. Okay, yeah, I'm going the right way. One of the things I did, I don't know if it showed up on the stream, but I brought that wallet that I bought in Japan to here because, Europe is using the euro, and that's also a very cash-based thing that has coins. Not quite as often as Japan. At least not as far as I've, dealt with stuff. But you definitely need to be able to hold coins. And it's nice to have a wallet that has a coin area in it, rather than having to dig to the bottom of your pocket and sort through old receipts and coins and US coins, whatever's in your pocket. Ooh, all sorts of little snacks. Oops. Okay, we should be pretty close to this place. Actually, I think it's on this street. So I just have to wait for it to open, which is in 2 minutes. And in that case, let's call it a show. Because I'm going to take out money from the ATM, and that's probably not a good thing to do live on camera. So, excuse me. Let's go under this thing. And we'll close it out. In the meantime, I'll look for something I could put, a hook that I could put on this thing. I gotta have one somewhere. Good stuff, ladies and gents. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.